Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss about reflection of light. What we are going to talk about? Reflection of light. In our past class, what we discussed, ma? Do you remember that? We discussed about different type of ray drawings, means based on the position of an object, where the object is located, and where you got image. Such like we derived, and also derivation of mirror formula we derived, and also we learn about what magnification of spherical mirrors, also finished, and also sign convention rules, the rules for sign convention, the rules of sign convention also we learned. Now we are going to talk about solutions. What we are going to talk about? Solutions. Some of the problems are based on the spherical mirrors. Some of the problems are based on the spherical mirrors. How to analysis? Complete lesson based on what we learned. Understand? Let's we discuss those. What I'm writing to you: an object of height, an object of height 5 centimeter is placed, 5 centimeter is placed at 30 centimeter distance on the principal axis, distance on the principal axis in front of a concave mirror, in front of a concave mirror, in front of a concave mirror of focal length 20 centimeter. Find the image distance and the size of the image. Find the image distance and size of the image. This is a problem to find a solution. What is this? An object of height 5 centimeter is means what I'm saying, an object. What I'm saying to you, an object of height 5 centimeter. Height of an object they given. Height of an object. Let's write height of an object. What they given? Height of an object. Height object, what we are writing, h naught. How much they given? 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter, which is a height of an object they given to us. Then after is placed means object is placed. Object is placed. Where it was placed? Where the object is placed at 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter distance. It is placed at 30 centimeter on the principal axis. On the principal axis means on the principal, above the principal. Generally, we have to consider above the principal, means on the principal axis in front of a concave mirror. Which mirror they given to us? Concave mirror. Which mirror? Concave mirror. Object is placed where, ma? Object is placed where? In front of a concave mirror. Object placed where? In front of a concave mirror. I will draw a rough drawing to you. This is a concave mirror. Okay, this is a principal axis. That is what a principal axis. Understand? So height of an object 5 centimeter. It is placed on the principal axis. Okay. Then after object is placed at where? In front of, from the principal axis. How much distance? 30 centimeter. How much? 30 centimeter distance from the concave mirror. And they given one more to us, concave mirror of focal length. Concave mirror focal length they given how much? 20 centimeter. So let's recognize first, this is a pole and this is a focus. The distance between pole and focus is what, ma? Focal length. What is this? Focal length. How much they given focal length? 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter. We know well about what focal length is, what half of the radius of curvature. Means what you can, R is equal to 2f. Radius of curvature is equal to the 2 times of the focal length. 2 times of the focal length. Coming to that means what we can say, what is the focal length from the pole to focus? It is same for what? Focus to radius of curvature. Means radius of curvature means what you can say, that is the center of curvature. What is that? Center of curvature. Okay, the distance between pole to center of curvature, what you are calling? Radius of curvature. Radius of curvature is equal to the 2 times of focal length. 2 times of the focal length means 2 into 4, how much more they given? 20. So total 40 centimeter. The radius of curvature they given to us how much? 40 centimeter. Understand? Coming to that, we have to analysis clearly that. To understand my drawing, I'm going to draw on the board. Understand? Coming to that, object is placed, object of height 5 centimeter is placed at 30 centimeter distance on the principal axis in front of a concave mirror. It is placed at 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter. Where the 30 centimeter ma? 30 centimeter means the object is placed between focus and center of curvature. Focus and center of curvature. Why? Because I am saying the object is placed between focus and center of curvature. Come to back. Pole to focus is a focal length they given 20 centimeter. Okay. So focus to center of curvature also same as 20. So total is a 40. So 40 means where it is 20 and here to here 40. So by that what happens? 30 where should be between the focus and center of curvature. Focus and center of curvature. Understand? So that's why object I am going to place at 30. I am recognizing 30. This is the height of the object. This is the height of the object. How much they said? 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Already we observed where the position of an object and where the image placed, where the image formed. If an object is placed between focus and center of curvature, if an object is placed between focus and center of curvature, image should be where the image should form. Do you have an idea? We already finished in our last classes, so we already learned those. Okay, where the image should be beyond the center of curvature. Beyond the center of curvature. Where should be beyond the center of curvature. Beyond the center of curvature means the image distance should be more than to the 40. More than to the 40. There, that only they ask, find the image distance. Find the image distance. So it must be what? More than to the 40 because of object is placed at focus to center, means between focus and center of curvature. Object placed where ma? Focus and center of curvature. So image should be beyond the center of curvature. Image should be beyond the center of curvature. So that image distance should be more than to the what? 40 centimeter. More than to the 40 centimeter. Understand? Then coming to that, let's find whether it is correct or not. Okay. So they are giving to us what? Object distance. What? Object distance means distance of object you can write. Object distance showing by you how much? 30 centimeter. And focal length they are given. How much? Focal length. Focal length showing by F. How much ma? 20 centimeter. Then we have to find what? Image distance. What we have to find? Image distance. We have to find image distance question mark. We know what we know ma, to find image distance from the relation of UFV. UFV. So we have what? We know the mirror formula. What is the mirror formula? Can you recognize what is a mirror formula? So 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. 1 by focal length is equal to 1 by image distance plus 1 by object distance. Understand? Then what you want to find? Image distance. What we want to find? Image distance. What we are going to find, for that we should not apply sign convention. What we are going to find, for that we should not apply sign convention. Okay, for that remind, you have to apply sign convention rules. We have to apply sign convention. Understand? Then coming to that, so light ray coming by this direction from the object. Understand? Then we have to measure focal length from pole to opposite to the incident light direction. The focal length we are measuring by this direction to the opposite direction of the incident light ray direction. So focal length is what? Negative. Focal length is a negative. Negative means according to sign convention, I'm writing direct. Minus F. We should not apply sign convention for image because you are going to find plus object is also we are measuring what? Opposite to the incident light ray direction. So minus U according to sign convention. Okay. Then apply the values, substitute the values. What we can write from that? 1 by V is equal to, by transferring this side, it will be plus 1 by U minus 1 by F. Is it or not? So from that, see there, what I'm going to do, 1 by V is equal to 1 by U. 1 by U, how much they given? 30. 1 by 30 minus 1 by F, how much? 20. 1 by V is equal to 30 and 20 LCM. Do you know LCM? So 5 6 are 5 4s are 2 3s are 2 2s are 10 and 3 2s are 6. How much ma? 60. So LCM is a 60. 30 2s are 2s only, no? 30 2s are. So 32s are 2 1s are 2 minus 23s are 3. 1 by V is equal to minus, what happened to that? Can you? Minus 1 by 60. By making reciprocal to that, V is equal to, by cross multiplication also, minus 60 centimeter. Minus 60 centimeter. Image formed where ma? What is the distance of image? Therefore, image distance is 60 centimeter. Therefore, image distance is 60 centimeter. 60 centimeter. Then we got negative sign. Is this correct? Of course, see there. Image forms at in front of the mirror. We have to measure in opposite direction of the incident light ray. That's why we got answer with the sign conversion of sign conversion. What we are getting answer, it must be in sign convention. We should not apply, but we may get answer with the sign convention. Understand? This is to find what? Image distance. See there, focal length is a 20 centimeter, radius of curvature is a 40 centimeter, object is placed between focus and center of curvature, but image should form beyond the center of curvature. Is it beyond the center of curvature? Means what we discussed, it should be more than 40. So image distance what? 60 centimeter. Is it correct only, no? So coming to the, this is the, to find the distance of image. So find the image distance we found. Then and size of the image we have to find. We have to find a size of the image. I understand this. See, we found image distance. Now we have to find size of the image. I will erase this. See there, height of object is there, And object distance also is there. How much object distance? 30 centimeter. And image distance we found what? Okay, 60 centimeter. We found 60 centimeter. So by that what happened? Magnification is equal to height of the image by height of the object is equal to minus b by u. Minus b by u magnification. So by this relation we have, so height of the image by height of the object is equal to minus b by u. Okay. Coming to that, what we have to do? Height of the image, size of the image we have to find. So height of the image by height of the object they given how much? 5 centimeter is equal to minus. So V how much? 60 centimeters by object distance 30 centimeter. Again we have to apply sign convention according to sign convention. According to sign convention. What is according to sign convention? See, height of the object is placed on above the principal axis. So positive. Okay, and image should measure opposite direction. No, so we got minus only. So minus, and object distance also measures opposite direction of the incident light ray. So minus. So by that what we can do? Minus into minus plus. 5 ones are 5 6 are. So by that 6 ones are 6 tens are. So height of the image is equal to minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus 10 centimeters. Minus 10 centimeter. Height of the image is 10 centimeter. Height of the image 10 centimeter. Height of the object 5 centimeter. See there. See here what type of image is forming beyond the center of curvature. So enlarged, magnified image is forming. Magnified properties. That's why I said we have to learn the properties also. Okay. Where the object is located between the focus and center of curvature. Image should form beyond the center of curvature. What is the property of image? So magnified, enlarged. Object size is 5. See there, enlarged or not 10 centimeter. It is more than 5 centimeter. So enlarged, magnified. Is it or not? So by that we have to prove. We can write height of the image is 10 centimeters. So it is enlarged image or magnified image. Enlarged image or magnified image. Understand? This is a process to find what image distance and the size of the image by applying the sign conventional rules. Are you understand? Then we'll understand with one more problem. A concave mirror produces three times enlarged image of an object placed at 10 centimeter in front of it. Calculate the radius of curvature of the mirror. Calculate the radius of curvature of the mirror. That is the question. What is the question? Can you read once? A concave mirror produces three times enlarged image of an object placed at 10 centimeter in front of it. They are giving concave mirror, ma. They are giving concave mirror. Okay. The object is placed at 10 centimeter. They are saying, but they are saying what? The image, see, concave mirror produces 3 times enlarged image of an object. Of an object. Okay. Concave mirror produces 3 times enlarged means magnified image. Magnified image. Is it or not? Enlarged image. So it is forming what? 3 times enlarged. So by that what you can say? Indirectly they are giving magnification. They are giving magnification. Magnification is equal to minus V by U, general formula, with Hi by H naught. So this they did not talk about. That's why we are not taking that. So the tracking magnification 3 times enlarged. So by that what happened? Magnification is negative for the concave. We may get for water because of enlarged. No, that's why minus 3 times they said. Minus 3 is equal minus V by U. Minus V by U. So minus 3 is equal to minus V. Object distance they said 10 centimeter. But according to sign convention, what happened? Minus 10 centimeter. Minus into minus plus, what we can get? So by transferring that, V is equal to minus 30 centimeter. V is equal to minus 30 centimeter. By giving object is a 10 centimeter. According to sign convention. So image distance we have, object distance we have. So we need to find radius of curvature. Radius of curvature means we have a relation with those. Means if you find focal, we can easily to find. So that's why coming to that 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U from the mirror formula. From what? From the mirror formula. So focal length we have to find. Further we should not apply sign convention. 1 by 4, what is image distance? Already we have with the sign convention, plus object distance minus 10, because they both are measures in opposite direction of the incident light ray direction. So 1 by F is equal to LCM for both. Otherwise minus 1 by 30 minus 1 by 10. Okay. Then coming to that, 1 by focal length is equal to how much LCM? 30 and 10. 5 6 are 5 2s are 2 3s are 2 1s are 10 and 3 30. So LCM is what? 30. 30 ones, 1 minus 1s minus 10 3s are. So 1 by F is equal to 1 by F is equal to what you have to get? Minus 4 by 30. Minus 4 by 30 means we can get a reciprocal. By making reciprocal, focus is equal to how much we can get, ma? 30 minus 30 by 4 minus 30 by 4. By doing LCM, 30 with 4, 4 7s are 28. So 2 take 5. So focal length is a minus 7.5. Focal length is a minus 7.5 centimeter. Focal length what? Minus 7.5 centimeter. See there, focal length is a minus 7.5 centimeter. Imagine focal is what distance? 7.5 centimeter. And the center of curvature also 7.5. Total 14.5. Means this is total what? 14.5. Object is placed at 10. 10 means where? Between. Between means image where? Beyond the center of curvature. Image should be beyond the center of curvature. That's why 3 times larger. So now we found focal length, and coming to that, what radius of curvature is equal to 2 into focus, how much? 7.5. So we can write how much? Sorry, 15. This total what? 15 centimeter. So correct only now. 14, 2 5s are 10, and 14, 15 centimeter. So 15 centimeter. Okay. By that we can find the radius of curvature by using magnification also. Understand? They said 3 times enlarged image. That's why I took magnification is a negative. Because what happened? It is 3 times enlarged means it should form image where beyond the center of curvature. beyond the center of curvature. This is a problem to understand. Then we'll discuss one more problem. An object is kept at a distance of 20 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. Concave mirror. The focal length of the mirror is 30 centimeter. Focal length of mirror is 30 centimeter. Then what is the image distance, and B, what is the magnification of in this case? What is the magnification in this case? These are the two questions. What are those two questions? See carefully how much we got magnification in this case, and also what is the image distance. Can you solve that? See there, an object is kept at a distance of 20 centimeter. An object is kept at where? 20 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. So they're talking about concave mirror at placed 20 centimeter. Object distance they are giving 20 centimeter. Then focal length they are giving 30 centimeter. If it is focal length is a 30 centimeter. Object where ma 20 centimeter means where it is a pole. The distance between pole to focus is a focal length is 30 centimeter. Object placed at 20 centimeter. Object placed at 20 centimeter. Then where the object is located? It is placed between pole and focus. Pole and focus. Object placed between pole and focus. So when the object is placed between pole and focus, where the image should be? Beyond the mirror. Image should be beyond the mirror. If image forms beyond the mirror, see all distance you are measuring from the pole. So image distance, if you want to measure by this, what happened? Light ray coming by this, we are measuring image distance also in this direction. So it should be positive. Okay, object should be negative. Focal length is a negative. In this, except in this situation only, what happened? Image is become positive. So we are going to find image distance that should come in the position of positive. So we know the mirror formula. We know what a mirror formula. What is the mirror formula? 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So focal length and object distance and image distance. What we are going to find, for that we should not apply sign convention. What we are going to find, for that we should not apply sign convention. Understand? So what we are going to find, first question, image distance. So for that we should not apply sign convention. So 1 by focal length, how much ma? 30 centimeter. How much? 30 centimeter minus 30 minus 30 is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by object distance also negative. How much object is placed? 20 according to sign convention. According to sign convention. So 1 by minus 30 is equal to 1 by V plus into minus 1 by 20. By transferring this side, 1 by V is equal to 1 by 20 minus 1 by 30. Okay, then we have to find 1 by V is equal to 20 and 30. LCM, what you have to do for that? 5 4s are 5 6 are 2 2s are 2 3s are 10, so 60. 60 is the LCM. 2, how much you can? 2 3s are 6. So 3 32s are, so 2. 1 by V is equal to 1 by 60. So V is equal to 60 centimeters. See there. What type of we got? Plus only. See, image should be where beyond the mirror. So image distance measures in the direction of the incident light ray. So we got a positive distance. Is it correct or not? Yes. Based on before calculation of the problem, we may estimate what type of answers will come, which type of image will form. Understand? Then coming to that, what they asked second question, this is the first question. And the second question, what is the magnification in this case? Magnification is equal to what we can write, Hi by H naught is equal minus V by U. Magnification is equal to this relation they did not give to us. So that's why we will go with minus V by U according to sign convention. So magnification is equal to minus V is equal to plus 60. Plus 60. Object distance is 20. Object distance is 20. This is image, not that. So minus 20. Minus minus cancel. By that we can write magnification is equal to 0 0 1 so 3 7. 3 is the magnification. 3 is the magnification. Plus 3 is the magnification. Understand? So by that what happened? In this situation only, means where the object is placed between pole and focus, image formed beyond the mirror. Beyond the mirror. In this situation only magnification is plus. In the remaining situation magnification is a negative. Magnification is negative. Understand? This is a way to solve the problems. Okay. See, one more problem we'll discuss. An object is kept at a distance of 5 centimeter in front of convex mirror of 5 centimeter in front of convex mirror, the focal length of the mirror is 10 centimeter. Then first question, what is the image distance? Image distance. Next, how much is the magnification in this case? How much magnification in this case? Same problem similarly up. Some values are changed, but mirror changed. Same type of problem, but what changed? mirror changed. The spherical mirror changed. Before we discussed in concave mirror, now we are discussing with the convex mirror. Before we discussed with the concave mirror, now we are discussing with the convex mirror. Okay? Then coming to that, we are talking with the convex mirror. We are talking with the convex mirror. This is a what type of mirror can you recognize? Is it convex or concave that? Shaded part I given at outerwards. Then reflective surface inner curve. Then what is that? Concave mirror. What is that? Concave mirror. See that. This is what you can recognize. Convex mirror. Coming to that, this is a pole and I'm saying this is focus and I'm giving this is a center of curvature. Okay, because image formed by the convex mirror where at beyond the mirror, where at beyond the mirror. Okay, where the object is placed 5 centimeter in front of the convex mirror, 5 centimeter of object distance. Focal length they said 10 centimeter. So focal length is what ma? 10 centimeter. Focal length is a 10 centimeter. Object placed at where? 5 centimeter. Object placed at a 5 centimeter object. So one is parallel light ray bounce back, it seems from focus. Okay. Means it's divergent mirror, giving divergent reflection. Okay, not a problem. In the first situation, they need to find image distance. So we know the formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. We know that. We know mirror formula. What is mirror formula? Focal length they given, object distance also they given, but we have to find image distance. What we are going to find for that, we should not apply sign convention. What we are going to find for that, we should not apply sign convention. So coming to that, all distance should measure from pole. First point. Second thing, according to sign convention, we are talking now. Second thing, the distance which measures in the direction of incident light ray, that considered as a positive. See, light ray coming by this direction. So this is coming by this. Means focal length is a positive. Focal length is a positive. Understand? Object distance you are measuring opposite to the incident light ray. So object distance is negative. So let's come to that. Focal length, how much they said? They given focal length how much? 10 centimeter. Object distance 5 centimeter. Focal length 10 centimeter positive. 1 by v, for that we are not applying sign convention. 1 by u minus 5 centimeter. By transferring this side, 1 by v is equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 5. So 1 by v is equal to 5 ones are 5 twos are, so 10 LCM. Okay, 1 plus 5 twos are. So 1 by v is equal to 3 by 10. By doing reciprocal 10 by 3. LCM what we can, division what we can, 3 point, what we can 33 something. So v is equal to 3.3 per centimeter. Means image distance is what? 3.3 or something, 3.5 approximately, otherwise 3 approximately we can consider. Means what I'm saying here, image distance we got positive. Image distance we got positive because image formed by convex mirror where at beyond the mirror, where at beyond the mirror. So image distance is a positive. So distance what? 3. Distance what? 3.3 centimeter of image distance. Okay. Then what we have to find? We have to find magnification. What we have to find? Magnification. So magnification is equal to minus v by u. Magnification is equal to minus image distance what? Plus. You will take double 3 after decimal. And the object distance minus 5. So minus into minus plus, magnification is equal to 3.33 by 5. Means of how much it will be? 0.66 something it will come. But 0.66 something it will come. Means it is less than 1. It is what? Less than 1. Magnification is less than 1 means what we can consider magnification of convex mirror is less than 1. Magnification of convex mirror is less than 1. Understand? Magnification of a convex mirror is what? Less than 1. So this is a process to solve. See once. Okay. Then we will talk one more question. Serial number, object distance, image distance, image characteristics. Characteristics. So it is in centimeters. Of course, it is also in centimeters. So object distance 15, image distance 30, and object distance 20, image distance 60, object distance 40, and image distance 120, 50 and 75, 60 and also 60, 90 and 45, 90 and 45. Okay, see there what I'm saying. This question, this is a question to you, means to discuss as we have to write what are the characters for those. What type of image will form? What type of image will form? So question is, Gopi performed an experiment. Gopi performed an experiment with a mirror and recorded the result in the table. So one of the person done with a mirror. They did not say what type of mirror that, and the given values those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and character also they given image character, virtual small erect, virtual small erect, and next they did not say to us what is that. Then real enlarged inverted, real enlarged inverted, real enlarged inverted. Then next real same size inverted, real same size inverted, and real small inverted, real small inverted. This is the table they given. And question number 1, what I'm saying to you, question number 1, what is the question number 1? What type of mirror did Gopi use, how do you say? What type of mirror did Gopi used? Did Gopi used? How do you say? How do you say? Can you remember the table column? What type of mirror they used for those? How you can say? Huh? This is whole experiment. One of the question. What type of mirror did Gopi used? Observe. Object distance 15. Image distance 30. Object distance 15. Image distance 30. Virtual small erect. Virtual small erect. Virtual means beyond the mirror. Okay, just remember. So beyond the mirror means there is a chances formed to by convex mirror. Virtual means okay. Sometimes wait, and then 20 and 60 they did not write, and 40 120 real enlarged inverted forming by what? Real forming by what? Real image formed by which mirror? Inverted image formed by which mirror? Real same size inverted. Those no need to recognize. Real inverted. Real inverted. Which mirror Gopi used? The mirror which is used by Gopi? Can you say? The only concave mirror is used by Gopi. Concave mirror used by Gopi because what is the mirror means? The concave mirror used by Gopi because of, how do you say? Because of image formed real, inverted and virtual. Real, inverted and virtual. Understand? So that is the information analysis. And one more question to you. What is the focal length of the mirror? Focal length of the mirror. So what mirror he was used? Concave mirror. Then what is the focal length of that mirror? Means we have to go by what is the formula? 1 by f is equal 1 by v plus 1 by u. So 1 by f is equal focal length we are going to find. For that we should not apply sign convention. For the image distance, how much? 30 minus plus object distance is a what? A minus 15. So 1 by f is equal to, so what we can make of 15 ones of 15 to the 30 is a LCM. 30 ones of minus 1. So minus 2. 1 by f is equal to minus 3 by 30. Once a 10. Focal length is a minus 10 centimeter. Focal length is a minus 10 centimeter. What is the focal length? Can you? How much it will be focal length? How much it will be? Generally we can say for this 10 and for that remain you may get different. But there is a chance to find a direct what focal length. By that means we can get different answers. That's why there is a chance to find direct answer. Can you recognize by the characters of the image by using characters? Can you see carefully characters? Is there any places to identify where? See there, real, inverted, same size. Same size. Same size means where the image will form by same size. Can you? When the object is placed at the center of curvature. When the object is placed at a center of curvature, image will form at the same place with the same size. Radius of curvature, they are giving what? Image distance is 60. So radius of curvature is 60. So r is equal to f is equal to r by 2. So f is equal to r means 60 by 2, ones are 30. So focal length is how much more? 30 centimeter. Before we got 10 because of it formed by virtual. Understand? That's why. Because we have to consider image as a positive. Because virtual, no? That's why. Understand? So focal length is how much? 30. So by that giving values also we have to find by analysis the given information. Understand? So then I'm giving to you some homework to solve.